If you want to add an event to calendar on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case, we're going to open our calendar over here. Of course, we need to grant access to the calendar and allow notifications. We can also enable automatic sync with your Samsung accounts. If you want to do that, then of course we can turn it on. This appears when you open the calendar for the first time. Now over here, in order to create an event and add it to our calendar, we can press on this plus button, for example, in the bottom right corner, or on the calendar. What you can do is simply tap on any of these days. And if you tap again, then you should be able to fill this information in. Of course, if you press this plus button, it appears exactly the same. Now over here, we can set up the name of our event. We can also add an emoji and choose a color. We can also choose if the event lasts the whole day or not. And of course, we can pick the date when it starts and when it ends. Same with time if it doesn't last the whole day. And in addition to that, we can choose the location. We can include people over here. We can manage notifications when you want to be alerted before the event occurs, when it starts or begins. We can also choose whether the event repeats itself or not. We can also add notes, include video conference and attachments, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, lots of different options over here. Once you set everything up, just tap on save at the bottom, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.